Lewis from the marketing department here at BMW Manhattan, and I have a real treat for you guys. This is an M2 competition, but this one's really set up for the true BMW enthusiast. We know the basics of the M2 competition, 405 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque, but this one's got nearly the entire M Performance parts catalog thrown at it. A host of carbon fiber parts to the point where there's over 40 pounds of weight savings on this car specifically. There's a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber trunk right here with an integrated spoiler, carbon fiber rear diffuser, carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber winglets. You see a trend here, right? Also has style 763 M Performance wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport rubber, and it's lowered on M Performance coilovers as well. All of this stuff designed in-house by BMW. This is the car that you want to roll up to that meet in. Now we're going to take a look inside and see what other goodies this car has to offer. We have your Alcantara trim for your shift gaiter on both your shifter as well as your e-brake. We have carbon fiber trim, BMW's D-shaped M Performance steering wheel Pro, M Performance pedal covers, and you notice the M Performance carbon fiber inlays on the side sills. Back outside the M2 competition with M Performance parts, you have your fabled join kidney grills. This is carbon fiber as well. The M-style mirrors with carbon fiber mirror caps, and a very nice little treat, floating center caps. So now, of course, when you roll up to that show, your roundel is going to be perfectly lovely. Once again, thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on all of our social channels, BMWNYC on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.